Hello there, good to see you all again in another happy serving video. Well, sales. Sales is all about 90% of conviction and 10% communication of your conviction. Well, conviction is all about the pre-preparation, like knowing, practicing and realizing about your product, whereas the 10% of communication plays a major role as it involves our guest in it. Well, in this video, let's look into the importance of communication and the types of questions that we ask to our guests and see how this is going to help in increasing our restaurant sales. Sales is nothing but the transfer of your enthusiasm through your communication. Study says 55% is the non-verbal communication, which is the body language, postures, etc. 38% is the voice, which is how clear and crisp it should be. It's just 7% of what we speak, the verbal communication. So it's really important that what we ask to our guests. So let's move forward and see the types of questions. First and the important one is open question. This encourages our guests to give a long uninfluenced answer. Open questions will always start with 1 H and 5 W's, which are how, what, when, where, why and who. Otherwise, you can remember it as 1 husband and 5 wives. Alright, for example, what brings you to Dubai? Or how long will you be spending your time in Dubai? So these questions will lead you to something where you can get a hint and continue the conversation. Next is the leading question. This helps to obtain a long influenced answer to determine a specific fact. This is same as open question and are useful to obtain a factual information about guest wants and needs. For example, if we discover from our open question that the guest came here to celebrate their anniversary, try to book a table by the beach for a romantic dinner, or if it is an occasion, just try to upsell with a bottle of champagne, something like that. So it's all about getting information from the open question and suggesting something which will meet the guest needs. Last but not the least, closed questions. This gives a short influenced answers, which is yes or no. This is useful for confirming the understanding of the guest needs or establishing the next steps with the guest. So the simple examples are when we confirm the order to the guest or when we check the satisfaction. So friends, it's all about how you open, lead and close the conversation, and then the rest will follow. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Happy serving. Selling.